Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with a video. Yes sir, today I'm bringing y'all something different to the channel, man. I brought something way before, like early on my channel, like when I first started. My bad, the camera shake because I hit the thing on the table. But today we're gonna be cleaning out some Air Max. Today we're gonna be cleaning out some Air Jordan 6s, Carmines, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I do on the side, you know what I'm saying? Besides the YouTube and reselling shoes, I also clean shoes, you know what I'm saying, for people like that. So I'm gonna start bringing this to the channel, man, teaching y'all how to clean shoes. I clean out some Timberlands, a lot of suede shoes like Nike Dunks, you know what I'm saying? I clean a whole bunch of shoes, Air Jordan 1s, lows, whatever shoes I cleaned out, man. So I'm gonna put a link down below. Head over to that, I'll put a link down below. Go ahead and follow my page on Instagram, G1 Shoe Cleaner. You know what I'm saying? Head over there, you know what I'm saying? Check it out, all that good stuff. So if you need any shoe cleaning, any type of shoe cleaning, man, hit me up, DM me, you know what I'm saying? So in case y'all like this video or y'all like my stuff that I be doing on my page on Instagram, hey, boy, shoot your boy a DM, you know what I'm saying? So I'm also gonna make a Twitter for my shoe cleaner as well. I got a Facebook, but I'm trying to get back on there, uploading stuff like that. But like I said, we're talking about how to clean out these Air Max. So yeah, man, I'm gonna teach y'all how to clean out these Air Jordan 6 Carmine. Without further ado, man, let's get into the video. So like I said, I'm beginning the video, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to clean off the Air Jordan 6 Carmine. It's a grade school size, you know what I'm saying? The customer needs the shoe cleaned off, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna teach y'all, you know what I'm saying, how to clean off the shoe. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get to it. So here they go, man, the Air Jordan 6 Carmine joints, man. Y'all see the outer sole, man. Y'all see the uppers. Y'all see the dirt spot right there. Boom. You know what I'm saying? The upper's super dirty, man. Y'all could tell. You know what I'm saying? The suede got your little spot right there, of course. Boom, boom, boom. So that's the left shoe. Here go the other shoe right here. You know what I'm saying? Suede, super dirty. Y'all could just tell. Shoes super dirty, man. Super dirty, man. But we're gonna get these bad boys back to life, man. Like I said, follow your boy on Instagram, G1 Shoe Cleaner, man. Putting it down below. So let's go ahead and clean the shoe off, man. That is Jason Marsh Shoe Cleaner, man. It's not a sponsor, by the way, but this Jason Marsh Shoe Cleaner, man, definitely gets the job done for sure. So use this crepe soft brush right here, man. Nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? Crepe soft brush. You always want to use a soft brush with suede. Don't use any type of hard brush or anything like that with suede, because you're roughing out the suede brush. You know what I'm saying? Can never go wrong with a toothbrush, man. Of course, I use a medium brush, you know what I'm saying, just for like the white right here. Of course, you can use a soft a little bit, but I like to use a medium a little bit. So then the main utensils. Also, one more, I use this stiff one. I gotta buy a new one because it's super old, but it gets the job done. I use a stiff brush rejuvenator on the outsole, so cleaning the bottom of the outsole, man. But let's go ahead and get that shoe cleaning, man. Let's get this into your bowl. Boom. 3 squirts of your shoe cleaner into your bowl. I can tell from the laces right here, super dirty. So before we clean the shoe off, man, of course, we're gonna take the laces out, man. So we're gonna take the laces out.
Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from jewel and new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft.
We got the laces out, man. Got the laces out. So I'm about to get this other bowl, put the laces in there. You know what I'm saying? Put the Jason Mark, and then, you know what I'm saying, stick them in there. Let's grab your Jason Mark shoe cleaner. 1, 2 squirts. Boom. Done deal. You know what I'm saying? And then yeah, let the laces soak in there for a little minute. Clean off so they get back white and crispy again, man. So boom. Let them soak for a little minute. Let's put that off to the side. But let's go ahead and clean off the shoe, man. Let's get to it.
They say that shit ain't for me, so I stole it. I only rep for my fam. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cram. On fire like NBA Jam. I don't think that you understand. Somebody come get they mans. You stumble and fumble your lines, man. I think it's wise if you sit in the stands.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad.
Got the whole upper of the shoe together. So now we're gonna work on the outsole of the shoe. So let's go and get that stiff brush out, man. I need to get a new stiff brush, man. So I'm gonna talk about my stiff brush in the comments, man. But let's go get the outsole together, man.
Also, I use my beating brush sometimes on the outsole a little bit, just to, get it back a little bit clean. I don't know why. It works out for me the best, just get a little clean up on the outsole a little bit better. Boom. See, I can already tell from the outsole looks super, super clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little rag, and y'all gonna see, the details. So be right back, man. Be right back.
Yes, boom. So you got a better close up. Y'all can tell by the toe box right there. So like I said beforehand, usually I get a toothbrush. I'm saying by the suede, y'all can just tell, rubbing it back and forth. The material is back soft, smooth again, but it's a little wet, a little bit, but not too much wet. So we're gonna wait a little minute so it can dry. So I'll be right back. And let's go ahead and check on the laces, man. Check on these laces right here. Like I said, I usually let them soak in for a little minute while I clean out the shoes. And y'all see like those little dirt spot right there. So usually with the laces, you know what I'm saying, you grab them like this. So nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying, nothing too crazy. You're just rubbing them together with your hands. I need to get some new gloves, man.
Ain't worried about that, y'all. Man, comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all liking these videos, man. Comment down below, let your boy know, man. Come with new videos for y'all, man. Cause it's gonna be slow with upcoming releases, man. So I'm bring y'all, you know what I'm saying, my side of the business that I also do. Just rather than YouTube, and, you know what I'm saying, reselling shoes, I also clean shoes. I don't do this because of the money I love doing, just helping people like cleaning out shoes, and y'all worry about spending, you know what I'm saying, hundreds of thousands of dollars, you know what I'm saying, just to buy a new pair of shoes and then keep repeating yourself, man. So like I said, I clean out Forces, I clean out Timberlands, all that good stuff, man. So like I said, if you're interested, if your shoes clean up, man, DM your boy, John One, shoe cleaning down below, link down below. I would appreciate it, man. But you can get like these laces back to life, man. Look at them, super white. Shoe, they look brand new, man. Like brand new shoe right there, man. I love cleaning out shoes. Anything to do with shoes, man.
So usually when I get one shoe done, I always look at the shoe and see if I didn't do anything else. I always look at the shoe, like I said, make sure everything's spotless and clean. So like I said, with the toothbrush, it's a clean one. It's not nothing wet or nothing. So I use what I do with the brush. You know what I'm saying? I rub it against the suede. You know what I'm saying? Brush it back and forth. Get that smooth sail. And use your toothbrush. Go along the suede. You know what I'm saying? So make sure it's smooth. Still a little wet, a little bit, but not super wet. So, but still, you want to still use that toothbrush. A dry toothbrush. You don't want to use the wet one you was using beforehand. You know what I'm saying? Go along against the suede. So make sure it's smooth out. Super soft. Y'all can just tell off rip. Shoe super clean, man. Super, super clean. So from the suede, I can tell right there. It's back, man. The suede is super smooth. It's back selling, man. I love it. I love seeing that. Like I said, always use a soft brush. A soft brush. No hard brush, no medium brush. Always use a soft brush. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. That's my tip because I messed up with somebody's shoes before when I first started. And it was bad. They suede was super hard. And I learned from that. You know what I'm saying? I told them my apologies, refund their money and everything else. But I'm still learning the process now. But still, always use a soft brush. Always, man. Ooh, I love when the suede come back to life, man. I love it. I love it. Super soft, super smooth, man. Boom, got the shoes back to life, man. I love it. So y'all could just already tell from the jump. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all so y'all can see it. Like I said, y'all could just already tell. Like I said beforehand, y'all could just see on the suede, rubbing that back and forth. I could just tell super smooth compared to this one. The dirty, you know what I'm saying, on both sides. I could just tell. On the uppers, you don't see too much dirt spots right there as well. I'm about to get the laces back out so y'all can see how clean the laces are with those. So here goes the clean shoe right here. Boom, boom, boom. And here goes the dirty one right here as well. So let's go check out them outsoles, man. Let's check them out, check them out. I can just tell from the outsoles as well. Super, super clean, man. I love my job. I love it. I love it. So check this side right here. On the dirty side, y'all see how dirty that spot is? Check out the clean spot on this one. Super clean, man. Super clean. Check out the back of the heel. Boom, boom. Like I said, got these Jones back to life, man. Clean joint right there. Dirty joint right there. I love my job. I love it. I love it. So y'all seen how the dirty one is and clean version is. So we're about to go ahead, get the laces out, and we're gonna talk about more about the shoe in the video, man. So let's get to it.
Got these Jones back to life, baby. There we go. I got a knot. Of course, I got a whole knot.
So here they go, man. Got these Jones back to life. Y'all could easily tell which the difference between which is what. Boom, got the clean Jones back to life, man. Got the outsole back to life. Got the upper. Got the suede back. Suede's definitely just cleared up. You know what I'm saying? Got the suede back to life as well. I could just tell from the difference. Oh, the upper, or the suede, the dirty side, and got the clean side back. Y'all can just tell from the side, from the dirty side, boom. Y'all can just easily just tell. Also the clean side as well. Got these Jones back to life, man. So super clean one, super hard, but still teaching y'all how to clean off shoes, man. But so I turn the camera around back to your boy. Let's get to it. Yes sir, yes sir. Like I said, got these Jones back to life. Y'all could just easily just tell from the uppers of the shoe, man. Got these Jones back to life. Got them back to life, man. Boom. Y'all could just tell from the suede. Got that back to life. And here go the dirty Jones, man. Y'all could just tell. Super dirty, man. Super dirty, but got these Jones back to life, man. Got them back to life, man. So if you like this video, man, go ahead, hit the thumbs up. Also like and subscribe if you're new, man. I greatly appreciate y'all tuning in as always, know what I'm saying, to my shoe cleaning thing, know what I'm doing. So if you like how I did these shoes, or you want your shoes clean, head over to Instagram down below, the link down below, man. JR1 shoe cleaning, man. Like I said, I clean shoes, man. So if you're looking at, if you're interested, let your boy know, comment down below, let me know how I did on these Jones. Let your boy know down below, man. I greatly appreciate it, man. Greatness comes with a place where you put your mind to. You definitely can do it. You gotta believe in yourself. I believe in you. You gotta believe in within yourself, man. So, like I said, here they go. The Air Jordan 6's Carmine. Got these Jones back to life. Y'all could just tell from this, from that. Like I said, man, comment down below. Let your boy know, man. That is it for this video, man. Let's catch y'all in the video, man. Y'all have a blessed one. JR1 is out. Peace.